Good morning, boys. Let us continue with our lesson Suktulu. Yes, we have completed till Kalimiki Pongaku, Lemiki Kungaku. After that, Kulam Kanna Gunam Pradhanam. One more time. Kulam Kanna Gunam Pradhanam. Means Kulam means your religion or your caste, whatever you belong to. Kanna Gunam Pradhanam. Gunam means your qualities. What are the qualities you have? Or how helpful you are? Or how kind you are? Or how obedient you are? How disciplined you are? These are all the qualities, right? So, it is important. What is more important? It's not your religion, your caste, or how rich or how poor you are. No. What is more important are the qualities which you have, the qualities which you possess, or how you treat other people. All these good qualities, best qualities matter. Pradhana means are important. So, kulam kanna gunam pradhanam. It doesn't mean that whatever high religion you belong to, that doesn't make you a great person. You're born into it, or the caste which you are born into it. That is not important. What is important in life is the best qualities which you possess. Understood? Kulam kanna gunam pradhanam. Okay. Next one. కూర్చుని తింటే కొండైనా కరిగిపోతుంది. కూర్చుని తింటే కొండైనా కరిగిపోతుంది. Means కూర్చుని తినటం. కూర్చుని తింటే means, suppose, let me explain this with you an example. Suppose your grandfather or great grandfather has acquired a lot of money or properties. Okay, so means imagine that they have acquired a property as big as a hill. But if the next generation people don't work and they just sit and eat, even the person who has wealth as big as a hill or a mountain, it will also disappear. Means kurchuni tinte. Tinata means eating. Kurchuni tinte means sitting idle and doing nothing, but only eating. And how you are eating? From the property or money or riches, whatever you have got. You have not earned it. You have just got it. Then what will happen? Even though the wealth or amount or riches is equivalent to the volume of a mountain, that will disappear. That will go in no time. Means everyone should work hard. Even though people they are rich, or even though they are having already money, it is always important that you should work hard and you should earn your living. Understood? One more time. Kurchuni tinte kondaina karigipotundi. Karigipovadam means disappearing. Konda means it's a mountain. So if you are sitting idle, not doing anything, not earning anything, and just sitting and eating, means even though you have a wealth, a mountain big as a mountain, wealth as big as mountain, it will disappear in no time. Next. Chintana cheyani vidya paniki radu. Chintana cheyani vidya paniki radu. Yes. I told you, vidya means education, knowledge, skills. Chintana means thinking or applying. Or means some you might have seen, they just listen. Means something will go into their ear, but actually they don't listen anything. Yes. So if you are not paying your attention, if you are not putting your effort, or if you are not properly thinking or trying to learn, then whatever education you get, whatever skill you have tried to learn, It will not be of any use. Chintana cheyani vidya. Paniki radu. Paniki radu means it will be useless. It will be of no use. So whatever you are trying to learn, whatever you are trying to read or acquire, you should put your effort to it. You should put your concentration to it. Then only you will learn anything. Just for the sake of listening, if you listen and afterwards you don't put all these things, it will be useless. Okay? Chintana cheyani vidya paniki radu. Yes. Next one is Talli Daivam Tandri Dhanam. Talli Daivam Tandri Dhanam. Means Talli means mother and Tandri means father. You know it already, right? Yes. Talli Daivam. Daivam means God. Daivam means God. Dhanam means money. Okay? If suppose anyone is trying to say, for example, money important or God is important? You can't choose any one, right? Both are important. So similarly, here they are trying to say mother and father are equally important. Talli Daivam Tandri Dhanam. Yes. Next. Deepam undagane illu చక్కబెట్టుకోవాలి. దీపం ఉండగానే ఇల్లు చక్కబెట్టుకోవాలి. You have learnt in grade 4 one poem, you remember? కడచినట్టి కాలము క్షణము తిరిగి రాదు, దీపమున్న ఎప్పుడు దిద్దుకోవలె నిల్లు. You learned that, you remember that poem? Same thing here, it is getting repeated. Means when you have time in your hand, when you have everything in your hand, better you do all your job. Don't wait till the 11th hour. Suppose for you tests are starting. They are starting around 20th of June. So don't wait till 15th June or 17th June and in the last moment don't get worried and tensed and all that. No, that is not how it should be. Means now you are having time. If now you start preparing, if now you start learning or revising, that will always help you. Do not wait for anything, not only for tests, for anything. So do not wait till the last moment. You have to put and do your work with planning. Similarly, Deepam undagane means when you have light, when you have power or current in the home, electricity in the home, it's better to do all your job, right? This is regarding those time when there was no electricity. Deepam means a small diya or a candle with which people used to do all their jobs. So when you have that candle and when there is light in that candle, better you complete all your household work. This can be applicable to any part of your life. Okay? Yes. Deepam undagane illu చక్కబెట్టుకోవాలి. Next. Nindu kunda tonakadu. Nindu kunda tonakadu. Yes. Kunda means mud, mitti ka ghada. Okay. Have you any time observed that if when the water is full to the brim, it won't spill out. Water won't spill. Observe this anytime. When your glass is full, if you walk carefully, it won't spill. When your vessel is full of water, if you carry it carefully and walk from one side of the house to another side, of course you have to be careful. Water won't flow. It won't spill. Okay? So means the other meaning of this is when a person is full of good qualities and he is humble, he is kind, he is a very good person in nature, he won't try to show off things. He doesn't try to try to show off things to people that I am having this and I am having that. The person who is having only a few good qualities or who doesn't have any good qualities, he tries to portray himself in a better as a better person. The person who is really good, who is having all the good qualities, he never tries to show off. Okay? Thank you, children.